Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless. I am going to talk a little bit about the Radiant Max 5G right here, as well as the Galaxy A32s. Guys, these are unlocked and ready for any service provider that you have. They are only going to be $149 for the Radiant Max and $199 for the Galaxy A32. And guys, these are huge phones. Just for comparison in my hand here so you can kind of get an idea. This is a really big phone. So if you were looking for a really big phone with a really good camera, because it also has a 48 megapixel camera in the back, then this is definitely the one you are going to want. And like I said, guys, the Radiant Max, this blue one, is $149. The Galaxy A32 is $199. Also a good sized phone, not quite as big, but still a good size. This would be more than one I'd probably go for because it's not too big. All right, and like I said, that one is a Galaxy A32, and it is $199. These phones are unlocked, guys. So get here and get them while you can.